Hello guys, today it's my first video on a YouTube channel. Welcome to my channel, and I'm going to tell you about a language learning application which is Lingbe app. Today we will talk about some functions, some tutorials of this application. Also talk about some pros and cons of this application. It's application which is used worldwide for learning the new application like German language, Spanish and all that, these kinds of languages. So we will talk about this application today. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, press the like button, share button, and also press the bell icon to never miss the another update of my videos. So okay, let's get started. Okay, so first of all you have to download the application. Just go to your Play Store application and then go to the search bar and search the Lingbe. Okay, let me search. Yeah, click on it and click on the second one. So the interface of application has fun. So just download it, and also if you wanna know about the ratings and about the app, just scroll down. Yeah, scroll down and click on it. And yeah, this is the information about this application. Scroll down to get the full information. Yeah, you can also learn many languages. So once you downloaded the application, so click on it and then this interface will open. So yeah, you have to, before starting this application, you have to sign up with two things: with your Facebook account, otherwise with your Gmail account. So I have Gmail. I will go with this. Just fill up all the informations, email, password, making these things, and then sign up. After getting signing up in this application, the application will look like this. So yeah, this is the main options of this application. Just go on your profile, and then yeah, this is your profile. If you wanna change your name, you can change your name from here, and also your country and all the information, and choose the language which you wanna practice. As you can see, I have mentioned English as a practice language and mentioned my Danish language, which is my native language. So you can also change the native language. There are so many languages available in this application. So which will be yours? Just choose it. There are so many practice languages here, like Germany, Spanish, yeah, and so on. So just fill it. Just back from that, and yeah, click on a start button and give them permission. And yeah, just get it. Okay, and yeah, the application interface will open. Just click on it, practice and learn, and make a call. You can also call a single call and also with a group practice call. Scroll down. Yeah, so when you activate this, so the people who are looking for a partner for practice can make a call you. Just open it. Also you can help to the others. If you have your native language, if you want to help someone, so you can also help. Hey, yeah, these are the informations, like click on my section and you will get all the information. You can also refer and send your open code and get a prize and get a reward from the app. And Lingbe Pro has two version application. If someone make a call first, click on it and start a one-on-one call. Click on it. It takes 2 minutes to find out a person. Maybe it will be happen. Yeah, one guy came. Yeah, after completing the call, you will get a strike. Every day when you complete your 8 minutes call to talk with someone and complete the 8 minutes daily, so you get a strike. Just speak daily with and practice more as much as you can. And there are so 10 energies of a day which you will get from the app side. And also the application have its pro version. The pro version allows you to do unlimited energy. So if you want to get this, so just pay for that. And so you can talk in a group. Just click on a group section, go there and find and just join a group. But now I don't have any referrals, so I can't join. So these are they're all about this application. The guys, you know what? It's just it can just help you. You will be responsible for that. If you want to learn some language, just more practice as much as you can. Consistency and practice is the key to achieve a fluency, to achieve a good fluency in any language. So it's all about this application now. I think you got to know all about this application. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and also the bell icon so never miss the update from my videos. And just hit a like button and share the video with your friends. Okay, I will meet you in a next video. Okay, bye bye. See you soon.